Hi guys, now you can awaken your screen just by the help of double tap or raise to wake, and there are many options you can see on the screen for your mobile phone Vivo Y91C. So don't more worry that this phone have not option for fingerprints. So save your power button, no use to press power button to awaken the light. You can see here, okay. Now I'm going to home. So here I'm going to click the home button. Now I'm going to double tap. You can see now again going to double tap, and the phone read my face, and face recognition is very fast, very quickly. So I will never use power button to awake the screen. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. I think many people were worried about there's no fingerprint in Vivo 91C. Now you can enjoy easily, and mostly 80% of people need fingerprint just because of to wake the screen, not for a security purpose. Bye bye.